Welcome back, everybody, to the daily show where we discuss and do technical analysis on big mega cap stocks. So, before we get started, please smash that like button, and 100 plus likes on this video would be greatly appreciated, guys. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Now, if you want to support the channel and get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, live trading, and all kinds of setups, definitely check out their link down below in the description for Patreon. And now let's get right into it, guys. On Nvidia, stock is down 1.96%. So Nvidia, we saw that move all the way up to 126 plus on Thursday, but actually faded. And now into Friday, we saw another pullback, and now it's pulling back into this critical support 118. So that is going to be your line in the sand for tomorrow's session. Monday morning, under 118, you will see more selling down to 113, and then maybe even down to 107. Now, if this is just a retest of this big support 118, then you will see continuation, and a break over 126 should take Nvidia stock up to 130, and over that, that's going to be a massive breakout for possibly brand new all-time highs, or at least retesting previous all-time highs and then trading into blue skies right here on Nvidia stock. So Netflix also going down on Friday 0.57%, and Netflix after this brand new all-time high pulling back into a critical level which is 700 to 694, rising 20-day moving average. So going into tomorrow's session Monday morning, watch this support right here as we pull back into this support 700. Under that, you will see a flush down to 694, 680, and then 668 down to even 664 to 662 lower Bollinger Band on this daily time frame. Now, as long as 700 to, I would say, this 20-day moving average 694 can hold, that could be a buying opportunity. Now keep that in mind. As long as this support can hold, this could be a nice day trade right here at 694 to even 700. You can buy the dip, but always keep that in mind. You're trading Netflix at all-time highs. So if this thing cracks under 694, you'll see a significant flush. Now, over 700, there will be resistance at 714, and over that, you will see a move back up to 725 on Netflix. And here's some fantastic day trade ideas for you guys, and especially if you are interested and you're really serious about trading, I'm not talking about window shopping, then definitely check out their link down below in the description. So yes, I'm still on vacation, visiting multiple countries, but still active trading. And you can see these plays are coming out, and all these plays are actually paying. Baba that we played last week, and the next day was a gap down on Baba, so that was a profitable trade right there. DKNG, we shorted on the 25th, added more on the 25th, and this was another fantastic trade. We actually got money on that one. I think it was like 48 to 50%. Then this, I did not really call it out here, but I did write on my Patreon chat where we do a lot of discussion what I'm going to do every day. Especially in the morning, I did call it out right here, and this was a massive money maker right here on that massive gap up last week on Thursday. Now, forget about these. Look at this play right here, Costco. I was able to actually get in under 880 on Friday with 895 calls, and boy oh boy, this play here definitely delivered massive amount of profit because it got up to 891. So that was like a $13 move that I caught to the upside, and you can see DKNG also a big winner. So all these trade ideas, and especially if you want to get swing trade ideas and live trading and all that, check out their link down below in the description. On AMD, it's down 1.87%. So into Friday's session, we actually closed right at the support 164, and now below that, we do have support rising 5-day moving average 162 or 161.79 to be exact. And underneath that level, we could see a flush all the way down to 20-day moving average 150 to 148, and maybe down to even 50-day moving average 146. So this is going to be a line in the sand right here, guys. 164 to 162. Under that, it's not going to see that breakout over 164, and you will see a lot more selling. But also keep that in mind. I mean, this is a nice double bottom right here, and now things are going back up. So if this thing can actually get above 164 once again and can hold, then definitely this gap comes into play right here at 174. On Amazon, stock is down 1.67%, and Amazon pulling back into this critical level 185, and we do have rising 20-day moving average also sitting near 185. So this is going to be a line in the sand going into Monday's session right here, 185. And if that gives up, there will be support at 183, 179, and then 173 all the way down to 170, lower Bollinger Band on this daily time frame. Now, Amazon can hold right here 185 and can actually push over 190. In that case, you're going to see a move back up to all-time highs again, which is over 200. On Google, stock it's up 0.89%, so Google pulling into this critical level right here between 165 and 162. And why is that? Because we have 50-day moving average sitting just under 165, and then we also have 5-day moving average sitting at 162. So there will be strong support right here between 165 and 162. As long as Google can hold right here, you're going to see a move up to 170, and from there it can possibly go up to this gap right here, which is near 183. So keep that in mind. Google, as long as it can hold right here, there is more upside. Now, Google breaks down right here, gets under 162, then watch out for a move down to 159, and from there, 155. On Apple, stock is slightly up on Friday, and now it's actually up 0.76% Monday morning, and looks like we're kind of pretty much wedging right here, ready for possibly a breakout or maybe even a breakdown right here on Apple stock. So you gotta watch this thing right here, especially going into opening today. If this thing cracks over this resistance right here, which is at I would say 232, this trend line here, 232 breaks, we might see explosion here back up to all-time highs again, which is near 237, and from there it can actually trade into blue skies, and that should take market even higher. Now keep that in mind. Multiple rejection right here at 230. We even got over 230 and then came back down, and now it's trading at what, 227, 228. Now there will be support right here on Apple stock at 227, down here at the 20-day moving average 223, 222 50-day moving average, and if that gives up this trend line down here, that's going to be around 219. Underneath that level there will be support at 216, and again Apple can break and hold right here 230 to 232 over this trend line. It's going back up to all-time highs or retesting previous all-time highs, and maybe even going into blue skies and trading even higher. So Tesla stock was up on Friday 2.45%, and looks like it's going up to this high right here, 270 to 271, and that could be the move going into Monday's session. But always keep that in mind. Tesla likes to run on Monday, and looks like if we get a pullback, I would say 250 would be better. But if we don't get that here on Tesla, then watch out for this 255 range. That's going to be a dip buying range right here on Tesla to play it back up to these highs right here, 270 to 271. Now we get a significant pullback. In that case, Tesla takes out 255, rising 5-day moving average takes out 250. Then you're going to see a lot more selling down to 235, 232.78, and from there it can go much lower. On Meta, it's absolutely flat on Friday, and now it's down 0.26% on Monday morning, and looks like it might be pulling back down to this previous all-time highs, which is 543 to 545, and that is the level that I'm watching, because if that can hold right here, we can play it back up to the upside. Now, this is where this could be a fake breakout. We spend time right here on top, and then we come back, take out this previous all-time highs, and in that case, that's going to be extremely bearish right here for Meta, and things can quickly flush even lower. So Meta here, guys, 566, that's going to be a line in the sand going into opening today, and underneath that level you'll see a flush down to 543 to 545 right here. Previous all-time highs should act as a strong support, and underneath that level 534, 520, and then 515. As long as Meta can hold rising 5-day moving average, this blue line 566, this thing can continue up to 584, and that's going to be a brand new all-time high on Meta. On Microsoft is down 0.76% on Friday, and now we're pulling back into this critical support 427. So that's going to be a line in the sand for Microsoft going into Monday's morning right here. Underneath 427, there will be support at 423.57. And if that gives up down here at 420 and under 420, it's going to look extremely bearish, and this thing can come back all the way down to 400. Now, we get that breakout from this bull flag consolidation over 434. That should take Microsoft back up to 445, and from there it may even go back up to retest previous all-time highs 467. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for watching.